the most basic tip that every small painting business should have is a separate bank account for your business. So this is just a simple step that any business owner can do right off the get-go. Is it makes it easier for your bookkeeper or accountant at the end of the year. Even if you don't have that shoebox of receipts, at least we can pull the data together to produce a financial statement and to file your taxes, because it's assumed all those expenses that run through the business, all the revenue that run through that bank account is business related. So it will save us time in bookkeeping, and so we don't have to look at all the personal stuff in there and weed that out. It's really important to get that business bank account.
Yeah, I will mention I've been doing it for quite a while, that it's really important to separate your personal assets and liability from your business assets and liability so that you don't blur the lines, because the tax man don't really care. So it's important to separate those two lines. So I guess the first tip would be having a separate bank account for your business. I've even heard of having a third bank account where you put, I think Philip Bassett-Covanero in our last podcast talked about putting 10% into a completely separate bank account and just leaving it there for your taxes. Would that be a good idea?
Absolutely. Yeah. Savings account, even at the least. I mean, I personally, any draws I make from my company, I set aside that into a separate account right away. So that's a great tip from a financial planner.